Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titignan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong March 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Yung link nasa description or sa comment section. Okay, Sag, let's see what's coming to your money, career, finances ngayong March. What's the energy? Okay, you have Raidu. I think you're going to explore new sources of income. Meron kang bagong pwedeng iba sa inyo madidestino kayo sa ibang lugar or lilipat ka ng trabaho, lilipat ng bahay. It's like you want something new in your career path, no? So this is also about self-discovery and also travel opportunities. So pwedeng yung work mo may kinalaman sa pagta-travel, flight attendant, piloto, or salesperson that goes to different places. And then you have Suwilu. So Suwilu is clarity. If there is, kung meron kang naguguluhan, nalilito, or kailangan mong magdesisyon sa trabaho mo, so ngayong March, magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan. Yan, ngayong March, pagdating sa trabaho mo, sa business, kung magsi-start ka ba ng business, or, ano ba yung dapat mong gawin sa finances mo para mas maging maayos, maging manageable. Okay? You also have Inghwas. So this is about your inner growth. You are going to tap in to your authentic self. Yung pagiging totoo mo. Like you're going to use your authenticity, sexuality, you're going to be in the flow. So some of you pwedeng related rin to sa creativity ninyo. You're going to be more creative. You're going to use your abilities, your talents, and your skills. And at the same time, yun yung magli-lead sa'yo for growth. Kasi mas naiintindihan mo na yung sarili mo, mas kilala mo na yung sarili mo kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin, i-pursue sa buhay. Kasi, minsan, hindi naman minsan, but kadalasan, yung mga nasisimulan nating career path, it's either yan yung kung ano yung convenient para sa'yo, or ayan yung sinabi ng parents mo na subukan mo, or yung pressure from the society. But eventually, as we grow older, hinahanap natin kung saan tayo magkakaroon ng fulfillment So I feel like for some of you, yun yung gusto nyo ngayong goal nyo, na maging fulfilled in your career path or in the business or whatever source of income na inyong pinupursue. Yes, organization is your purpose, your planning. You want to be more efficient. Mayroon kang mga proseso na susundin, pwedeng reorganization, monitoring ng iyong progress. You also have divine guidance. You are divinely guided. Whatever change that is happening or will happen in your career path ngayong March, that is divinely guided. Dinadala ka sa purpose mo. And you will also have this inspiration of something new, no? With 19, this is number 1, new beginnings. I feel like you're going to let go of something na sa tingin mo hindi na siya aligned sa purpose mo. It's like, kasi yun sa career natin. Siyempre, karaniwan, no? Yung iba, yun na yung nasimulan nilang trabaho, career, and then doon na rin hanggang sa mag-retire sila. But for some people, it's like a stepping stone na, okay, ito yung entry level mo, and then after a few years, may mga pagbabago. And that's fine, that's okay. Ibig sabihin, you are growing. Diba? Or you are changing the direction because maaring na-fulfill mo na yung purpose. Diba? Let's see what else for Sag. Okay, you have the 7 of Cups. This is about confusion. So, yung iba sa inyo, you might feel confused ngayong March about which path to take or ano yung susubukan mo kasi ang daming options eh. Yan rin ang disadvantage ng maraming options sa paligid mo kasi pag available yan lahat sa'yo, ikaw na yung malilito. So, that's why itong energy ng Inghwas, this is about your inner self, yung sarili mo. Ask yourself, what do you really want? What do you really want to achieve? What do you want to experience na kung saan meron kang freedom na ma-express mo yung sarili mo. So, more on the creative side yung iba sa inyo, Sag. You have the Page of Swords. This is about curiosity. So, I see na mas nagiging curious ka about yourself, about your abilities, about your talents. So, pwedeng meron ditong exploration ng knowledge mo. You have the Five of Pentacles. I think isa sa challenge mo ngayon is to have the resources na kailangan mo to fuel your desires or to fuel your ambition, to fuel your goals. But you know what? You will be resourceful. You will look for the resources. I think ito yung isa rin sa inaalam mo ngayon na paano ka magsisimula na magawa mo, masubukan mo yung passion mo ng kahit na meron kang limited resources. You have the Page of Cups. I feel like someone is going to help you. Someone is going to show you or teach you para mag-explore. You have the Eight of Pentacles. Some of you meron kang iti-take na alam mo yung parang other source of income na pwede mong pagkuhanan ng resources mo or funds para sa project mo. Let's say you want to start a business pero feeling mo parang kulang yung iyong kapital, no? So, syempre, hanap ka muna ng source of income na practical para sa'yo na hindi naman siya parang temporary lang para lang makapag-raise ka ng funds for your project. 'Di ba? Ganon. Leadership skills. So, you're going to develop your leadership abilities. Yan. You are going to mentor others. Based na rin yan sa mga experiences mo in the past na you have these qualities na yung mga natutunan mo, yung wisdom mo, you're going to use that to share sa iba and at the same time, monetize that, yung earning from that. Mindful spending, ayan. So, magiging maingat ka rin sa pag-spend ng kaperahan mo, lalo na kung nung mga nakaraan nagkaroon ka ng mga bad decisions pagdating sa pera. And also, you will pursue the career that aligns with your passion. So, kung ano talaga yung gusto mo, saan tumitibok yung puso mo, doon sa career path, trabaho na yan. Whether this is a business, self-employment, or, working for other people. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.